Activated carbon is a kind of black porous solid carbon by coal through grinding, forming, or with uniform coal particles by carbonization, activation production. The performance test of activated carbon ball press is mainly from these four aspects. 1 is immersion strength. Random grab several activated carbon into a ball, immersed in 25 degrees Celsius water, 2 hours after taking out the determination of its cold strength. Take the average value. The unit is cattle per ball. Second, thermal strength. Thermal strength is the strength of the material. Randomly take several activated carbon into a ball, buried in the iron box filled with clean fine sand, in a certain temperature, constant temperature, for 30 minutes. Immediately take out to determine its pressure value. Calculate the average value. 3 is the cold strength. Randomly take several activated carbon into a ball, one by one flat on the intelligent particle strength test machine for pressure feedback test. Record each activated carbon ball clicking indicated pressure value, and then calculate the average value, unit as above.